again to another tutorial video. I'm Brian with EventBank. During this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and manage contact and smart lists. To create a contact list, go to the CRM module and click on Contacts. Click the down arrow icon next to all contacts to open the list selector. When you scroll down to the end of your list, you'll see the button for New Contact List. Click this link, give it a name, and you will have just created a contact list. To add contacts to the list we just created, let's go back to All Contacts. Select the contacts you would like to add by ticking the check boxes next to that contact. Click the down arrow next to Add Note and click Add to List. Choose the list you'd like to add it to, and click Add. To learn more about importing contacts in bulk to lists, click on the link in the description below. To rename a contact list, open the list selector and click the pencil icon next to the contact list. To remove a contact list, click the delete icon to remove it. Now, let's create a smart list. To create a smart list, we need to use the filter function. Click the filter icon and apply any filter that you would like. When you've applied the filters you would like, click Save as Smart List, name it, and you've created a smart list. To rename, manage, and remove the smart list, navigate to the smart list by clicking on the down arrow next to your list indicator. Use the pencil icon to rename, the gear icon to manage, and the trash can icon to delete. Thanks again for watching our Contact and Smart List tutorial. As always, see you next time.